So we've got a pro-Bitcoin president, influential figures promoting this debasement trade concept, and even the Fed showing signs of softening its stance on crypto.
It's definitely a lot to process. What I think is particularly fascinating is that all of this is taking place against a backdrop of increasing global economic uncertainty. There are a lot of people out there who are starting to question the stability of traditional financial systems.
And this is contributing to the interest in alternatives like Bitcoin. And I think a big part of it is that people are, they're looking for alternatives to the traditional financial system.
Hmm.
They see Bitcoin as something outside of the control of governments and central banks, which honestly appeals to a lot of people,
Mm-hmm.
especially, in times of uncertainty.
It's like a digital rebellion against the old ways of doing things. Bitcoin has proven to be a pretty resilient asset. I mean, it's survived multiple crashes and come out stronger each time. And that kind of track record is attracting attention, even from, institutional investors who previously dismissed it as too volatile.
Interesting. So how do you think Trump's policies, assuming he, follow through on some of these ideas, how would that impact the crypto landscape?
Well, if he appoints regulators who are more open to crypto innovation, that could remove some of the barriers to entry for businesses and investors.
Okay, so things like clearer guidelines on taxation
Hmm.
and regulations that address concerns about, money laundering.
Exactly. Those are the kinds of things that can make the crypto market more attractive to institutional investors,
Hmm.
who are often hesitant to get involved because of the regulatory uncertainty.
Makes sense. But wouldn't that kind of defeat the purpose of Bitcoin as like a decentralized currency if it becomes more integrated with the traditional financial system?
Yeah, that's a valid point. And honestly, it's a debate that's happening within the crypto community itself. Some people believe that Bitcoin should remain a purely decentralized system, while others see the value in finding ways to coexist with the existing financial infrastructure. It's a complex issue with, no easy answers.
Yeah, for sure. And what about this idea of a U.S. Bitcoin strategic reserve? What are the potential like upsides and downsides of that?
Okay, so if the U.S. government were to start holding Bitcoin as a reserve asset, it would be a huge signal of legitimacy for the cryptocurrency. It could potentially lead to other countries doing the same, which, would further increase demand and drive up the price.
Hmm.
However, it also raises questions about government control. Some people worry that it could lead to more regulation and potentially even manipulation of the Bitcoin market.
Yeah, I see.